Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Itchy from Itchy and Scratchy, the cool dynamic duo cat and mouse from The Simpsons. Let's go in there, I'm going to do a full body shot. I'm going to go in there and draw his nose first of all, so probably about this point on the page. I'm going to draw a nice oval. I'm going to start at the top here. Just draw a really nice curved oval. Just like that. What I'll do, just colour that in. He's got that nice oval black nose. Next up, what I'll do is I'm going to go in and draw his eyes. So I've got one eye here and one eye coming around here, nice big wide circles. So if I go from that corner point of the nose right here, I'm going to do the eye on the right hand side there. Draw a nice circular curve right around here. Like that. And on this side, I'm going to go from about this point, I'm going to draw the curve of the eye to about that point of the nose. So going around this way. So grab my pen, start drawing that curve. Right over like that, so two wide eyes, and then what I'm going to do is draw the pupils. So on this side, nice wide pupil there, and on this side, nice wide pupil there on Itchy. If I move up now, I'm going to draw the top of his forehead here. I'm just going to go upwards this way to about that point. And then what I'm going to do is probably just draw the side of his head here before his ear. It's going to be about here, just a little line. Like that. What I can do then is draw his big old ear coming around here to about this point here. So I'm going to draw that ear in nice and wide. There we go, nice and curved to about there. Then I'm going to draw a little curve of his head just here to about there. Then with this gap here, he's got sort of three prongs of hair popping over like that. So I'm going to sort of come over from this way, curve it around to a point here. So come up here, nice bold curved line to about there. Just a little curve at the tip there. Come back in on yourself to about there. Next level of hair, it's going to come round, it's going to come all the way over and back to that. Just that line here. So come out from about this point. Nice curve. About here. And we're going to come back, meet that line, just draw a little bit further than that line. And the third little prong is coming around this way. So I'm going to start there, sort of come around this way here. So about here. Come along this way. Curve it in and back around like that. So you got 1, 2, 3 little levels of hair. Last little thing up here is the other ear on the left hand side. So I'm going to spring it up from this way, come around here, down to about there. It's more of an acute angle than this one. So it's going to be a bit narrower on our picture. So I'm going to come up from about here, come upwards, curve and down, sort of aim towards the top of the eye area, about there. It's a little hint just in here, a little line there, a little line coming around there, where the ear sort of mark sort of goes around. And then I think we're free to draw the rest of the picture. So first of all, there's a little kick out of hair of the little mouse here. So this comes out, it's almost like a little fin. It curves up there and comes down this way here. Then I'm just going to draw his cheek area. So I'm going to come in this way here and then it meets his jacket. So I'm going to go from about here, just a nice curve towards that jacket. Let's go over to this side now, just finish off this mouth before we do the body. So I'm going to come out here, sort of draw that sort of famous Simpsons sort of lip area coming around this way. So I'm going to, first of all, come out from that eye, come around here, curve it out a bit and in there. And then I'm going to go fairly straight along here and curve it up to the edge there. just kick it over a bit there. I'm going to draw his 2 front teeth next, little mouse-like teeth. Let's go towards the middle here, and we're just going to come downwards. 1 tooth there, and then I'm going to come over to about this point. Nice curve down, around like that. Okay, there's the head of Itchy. He does have a little bit of a coat on, so let's go draw that in. It's got sleeves, which are short sleeves, so I'm going to just draw the collar first of all. I'm going to come up from here, just draw a little curve around and down for the collar. Then I'm going to come out, draw his shoulder, and the sleeve of his jacket sort of comes to about there. Let's now curve that short sleeve in. And on this side, let's do the same thing, but I'm going to come out from that tooth area, sort of the middle of this one here. Curve it out there, to about here. And then what I'll do is curve in the edge of that shirt. There's a little hint of a line that sort of comes down like that. Then what I'll do is continue this line, just curve it in a bit there. Come inwards, it's like the side of the jacket. Then I'm going to come upwards here, so just draw a line up to about there. Then I'm going to come in, a little bit of a curve, but just come inwards to sort of this part of the tooth, like that there. And on this side, we go to that point of the arm. We'll go up to the underarm, and I'm just going to draw a line down like that where his jacket comes out. Then I'm going to curve it around this way, so around like that. Then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to meet it up here. So I'm going to first of all draw a bit of a straight line to about there. Then I'm just going to curve it in, meet it at that point of the head there. Okay, cool. Let's continue with this torso. So his belly comes around either side here, curves inwards to the hip. So I'm just going to grab my pen, draw a little curve there, and over this way, a little curve there. Just going to draw the underside of his legs. So I've got the legs either side here. The underside of his legs probably just curves along here. So I've got a nice even gap either side. Let's do this leg first. I'm going to draw 2 lines that come down to about there. Then we're going to draw his feet. So the inner part of the leg, just bring your pen down to about there. And the outer side will come up from that gap, curve it down to about here. Then we'll draw his feet. It's a nice sort of rounded ball really. So I'm going to just grab the pen, come outwards here, going to come around, upwards and then meet. So that ankle part, just going to draw toe areas in. I've got 1 line there, 1 line here. It's slightly curved, so I've got 1 around there, and 1 just on the edge there, curved in like that. The other leg, a little bit more of a bend in this leg, so what I'm going to do is come in from the inside of the leg, just draw a line there, and on the outer, just draw a line to about here, about there. Then I'm just going to curve the knee, bring it down there. And then I'm just going to change the angle here, just bring my pen down to the top of the foot. So down like that. Next I'm going to draw the foot on this side. So again, I'm going to come out probably a little bit more of an angle, so it's a little bit more of a side-on picture of the foot. Just going to draw around here, come around this way, join it up. And again, we've got 2 little curves for the feet, so little curve there, little curve there. Little tail between the legs, so I'm going to just draw a line down to about here, just bring it back up, just fill it in a bit, so I've got a nice black line there. Now we've got the arms and his gloved hands to do, so over on this side, I'm just going to draw 2 lines for his arm. So 1 line will come out about here, down to there. The other outer part will come out about here, just down to there. I'm going to draw a line across, join it up a little bit wider. This is the top of the white gloves. This then kicks down this way here and this way here. And then it's quite stylized, but I'm going to draw outwards here where his thumb would be. Sort of around a nice little curve there where a thumb is. I'm going to come out from the edge of the thumb area there. Just give it a hint of a really big finger that's got a big part of the glove. Come round again here. And then finally, sort of one there. Just join it up. Got two little dinks in the gloves with that cartoon character kind of style. And then it just leaves us with this arm here. So again, let's go to the underarm first, probably right into this corner. Just come out there. On this side at the top, come out down this way. Just down like that. Join it up and go a bit further than the arm, so the line comes out a bit further. And we'll come down just a bit either side of that. And then we'll come down, just draw a nice oval for the thumb here. So bring the pen out a little bit, curve it around and up. Then we see a finger coming around this way here. And really we don't see his third finger, so we just got a second finger there, curve it around and join it up to the edge there. Again, just a hint of two little cuts in the glove, give it that classic look. And then we just have a belly to do. So Itchy's belly is sort of hidden partially behind his top. There's a little curve here, so start about this point. Nice curve around there. And from this side, really it comes from the edge of the jacket, so we're just going to draw a nice arc around, sort of edge of jacket to edge of jacket. And then we've got a little belly button. I'm just going to draw a little kind of C mark right here, like that. And there we go, there's Itchy from Itchy and Scratchy, featuring in The Simpsons and the latest season of Fortnite at the moment. Let me know what you think in the comments, let me know who I can draw next, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching Art Draw, bye for now.